A warm welcome to everyone. I'm Priya, Assistant Professor, Department of Costume Design and Fashion. So in this video, we are going to see the continuation of the past video. Retting, types of retting. There are several methods of retting which each suited to different environmental condition, fiber types and desired fiber qualities. Water retting, the process. The plant stalks are submerged in water, typically in a pond, stream or especially designed retting tanks. This water provides an environment for bacteria and other microorganisms to thrive, which helps break down the pectin. Duration. Water retting usually takes 7 to 14 days depending on the temperature and the type of the plant material. Advantages. High quality fibers. Water retting is known for producing high quality fibers with a good strength and flexibility. Efficient. This method is relatively fast compared to other retting techniques. Disadvantages. Environmental impact. The water used in the retting can become polluted with organic materials which can be harmful if not treated properly before being discharged. Labor intensive. The process requires careful monitoring and management to prevent over retting and under retting. This is water retting. So we will soak the fibers into a water related ponds or tanks to processing this. Next, dew retting. The plant's stalks are separated or spread out in a field where they are exposed to dew or rain and other microbial actions. The combination of moisture from dew and natural microbial activities breakdowns the pectin over time. Duration. Dew retting typically takes 2 to 6 weeks depending on the weather condition. Advantages. Low cost. Dew retting is inexpensive since it does not require special equipment or a large amount of water. Environment friendly. It has a lower environmental impact compared to water retting because it doesn't involve in water pollution. Disadvantages. Weather dependent. The process is highly dependent on weather condition. Too much or too little moisture can affect the quality of the fiber. Variable quality. The quality of the fibers can be inconsistent due to the variability in environmental conditions. This is dew retting. So in an open area we will spread out the fibers based on the condition of the environment. It is maybe dew or a rain, it will be used for this purpose. Next, enzyme retting. Enzyme retting involves the use of commercially prepared enzymes to break down the pectin. The plant stalks are treated with the enzyme solution in a controlled environment which accelerates the retting process. Duration. This method can be completed in few hours to a couple of days. Advantages. Controlled process. Enzyme retting allows for a pervasive control over the retting process, leads to consistent fiber quality. Shorter time. It is much faster than the traditional retting methods. Disadvantages. Cost. The enzymes can be expensive and the process requires specialized equipment and expertise. Availability. This method may not be accessible to all producers, especially in developing areas. So this is enzyme retting. So retting process steps. Harvesting. The plant stalks are harvested and often bundling before being laid out for a retting. Soak and spreading. In water retting, the bundles are submerged in water. In dew retting, they are spread out in a field for enzymes or chemical retting. The stalks are soaked in respective solutions. Monitoring. The retting process must be closely monitored to ensure the fiber do not over ret, which can be weaken the fibers, or under ret, which can be too much pectin, making the fiber separations difficult. Testing. Periodically, the stalks are tested to check if the fibers can be easily separated from the woody core. This involves breaking a stalk and seeing if the fibers can be pulled away cleanly. Next, drying. Once the retting process is complete, the fibers are separated from the stalks, rinsed if necessary, and then dried. Proper drying is essential to prevent mold and degradation. Breaking and scratching. After drying, the fibers are subjected to mechanical processes like breaking to crush the woody core and scratching to scrape away the remaining woody materials to fully extracted the fibers. Importance of retting. Retting is a crucial step in the production of bast fibers like flax, hemp and jute. The quality of the retting process directly affects the quality of the final fiber product. Proper retting results in clean, strong and flexible fibers that can be easily spun into yarn and woven into fabric. Poor retting, on the other hand, can lead to a weak or discolored fibers. Poor retting, on the other hand, can lead to weak or discolored fibers, reducing their valuable and usability in the textile production. Thank you. The next video will be continued to the next parts.